Okay, hello everyone. So in my today's video, we will talk about where instance variable can be declared. So it is possible using constructor, it is possible using instance method, and it is possible using object name only. But we will check only using constructor, and if required, then we will go ahead with using instance method also. But right now, in my previous program only, I am doing some editing. Okay, it is all about instance variable only. But instance variable declaring using what? Constructor, inside the constructor actually. So I will remove this parameter first of all. It will, constructor will have only one parameter. So I am declaring instance variable. It means what? This is my instance variable self dot r, and I am assigning some value 10. Okay, this is my instance variable self dot n, and I am assigning one value, for example wiki. Okay, so while creating object also, obviously no need of this thing. Perfect. Obviously, while creating also it will be empty brackets, because here in this example constructor, this is our default parameter. Obviously we know about it, but there is no any other parameter than self. So we will create only one object right now actually, and obviously we will write s1.r and s1.n. Control S. It is giving me output as what? 10 and wiki. And one more thing before we go ahead, every object in Python has an attribute which is denoted as underscore underscore dict underscore underscore, which means Python internally creates this underscore underscore dict, and it displays object information in dictionary format, and it maps the attribute name to its value. That means this will be key and this will be value, this will be key and this will be what? Value. Suppose if I want to check, then we can check that also. Suppose if I write print and my object name is s1 dot, okay, and then as I said, you have to write underscore underscore dict underscore underscore and then bracket close. Control S F5. See, this first and second output is because of these two lines. Okay, and obviously the other output that we are getting is this. Okay, full screen. That is dictionary, first of all dictionary format, and we are getting object information, that is first object roll number and its value, then second key and its value, and so on. So using underscore underscore dict, we can print also those value. Now suppose instead of constructor, okay, now in my program it is a part of instance variable only, but instance variable using instance instance method now. Okay, so obviously we will not have the constructor, that is for sure. So I am writing define, and name of my method will be dem, and we will have one parameter, that is self, and I'm writing self dot r equal to 10. Same thing only I'm writing, and inside this only I'm writing the print statement also, that is self dot r print self dot n. Okay, so obviously first of all, separately outside of this class I have created one object, but this is not constructor, this is normal method. Okay, so one more time I'm repeating that if constructor is not provided in your program, then Python internally creates empty constructor. But right now in our program, everything is written inside of demo method. So how to call that demo method, that is also important. You have to write s1, that is our object name, and then demo, that is our method name, and bracket. And then I will quickly just remove this line also right now, and let me just remove this line also, and afterwards we will paste same line again. So Control X and Control S to save this program. See, we are getting 10 and wiki in this way also, if it is not constructor, if it is a normal method. And also if I write s1 dot underscore underscore dict, Control S, See, we are getting our answer in dictionary format also. So this is also one of the way in instance variable that you can use using the instance methods. This is called as a instance methods. Okay. And there is one more thing that you can declare instance variable using object names. So object names is also one of the way which is possible. That means in your program you have constructor as well as you have normal, what you can say, normal methods actually. Suppose if I write something like this, self and bracket close colon, and I have one simple hello world or welcome message actually, like this. Okay, then we have a normal method which is demo having only one self, and in this also we will write print, and we will write you are inside the method, something like this. You are inside the method. Okay, done. Now the main part is we are creating object with no parameter, because while creating also no parameter, that is one thing. Then we are calling demo function. Okay, we are calling that demo function. It will print this also. Now it comes to assigning part. So obviously using the object name, we are assigning s1 dot role equal to 10, s1 dot name equal to Vishal or something, and then we are printing also print s1 dot role, that is one thing, and print s1 dot name, that is the second thing, and then control s and then F5. See, welcome, that is because constructor called, you are inside the method because we have called that method. Then 10 and Vishal is the value we have assigned, and this is in the dictionary format because of the last line, that is this one. Okay, so that is all about how you can use the instance variable, that is using constructor, using instance method, using the object name also. Thank you everyone.